Hello, guys. Happy weekend and happy Christmas in advance. So, guys, today I have some advice for some women, single girls out there. So I want to share some experience, what you can do to maintain yourself, to remain fresh, to smell good, look fresh. So I say, let me share my experience, guys. Like I said before, what I have is what I will give. What I use that is good for me is what I will share. So I'm not going to stay here and share what I don't know. Okay? So guys, today, I will share one roll-on that you can use if you use this roll-on. Today, I will not be speaking only good English, guys. Today, I will mix it. So just permit me, guys, because I'm going to mix it with pidgin English so that I can flow very well. So just watch till the end because I'm going to share the roll-on I'm using and some things you still need to do, because I find out that there are some women, after they give birth, they just say, oh, it's over. So they feel that everything is just finished. Let me leave myself like that. Even if I don't bath, I've already married, so I don't have problem. Who is looking at me? No. Don't say that. Nobody is looking at you, fine, but your husband is looking at you now. So the way you are before your husband gets married to you, then after getting married to you, you have changed, total change. Then you will not say nobody is looking at you. No. Your husband is looking at you, because if your husband is not looking at you, he won't have married you for the first time. He won't. So let me calm down now. So if your husband no dey look you, wetin come make am marry you now? Now look you, he marry you, abi? So you still want to look you as you dey inside house. You still want to see that goodies when make am marry you, abi? So we as a women, even if you are single, you still need to take this my advice. It will help you. I learn a lot. I do many research about how to take care of yourself, how to really maintain yourself. Now I'm a little bit break because I break now. I did break because I just nurse my small baby. So I just break a little bit. Not that I'm break. I just some things I just reduce them because of the work. You understand? As a woman, that thing that must see when you make a marriage. Then you put there in house now. You can't change them. You will still go find the one when it will make when it will still the. You understand? So we as a women, we need to maintain ourselves. Yes, so men know they like I keep woman for her, so nobody they admire the woman. No. If you look good, man must admire you outside, and it's very good. You just did there, they done yourself. Not they done yourself, my dear. Look good. Not say you don't born. Even if you don't born. Before, when I never born, when I did single, I know Sabi makeup. Oh, my friends can testify to that. No. I know they make up. No, I don't like them. I just feel like I'm okay, just like that. Yes, but as you don't born finish, some things they change you. You need to package yourself, my dear. Packaging. Everybody package. So you need to package yourself, not dull yourself, not dull your moment. Because the moment you dull yourself, your husband, who with your husband go to work? You go there, turn the eye, they come out for another woman, body for outside. You know why? Because you don't already dull yourself now. Because you don't born now. Everything don't finish. You need to have that good time with your husband. Smell good. Look that woman when if I know you for before. Look fine, look sexy, look fresh. Because he need them, my dear. Not say I know you scream again, no. I don't born no. Waiting. Some women, I don't born no. Who they look me? I beg you. No, don't say that though. No, not the talk I'm Even some young girls out there, sometimes if they pass you, you go they ask, this Europe, roll on full, perfume full, body spray full. For what can they happen? Everywhere they goes. I'm not they try to laugh at anybody, or they try to advise somebody. Because sometimes if you tell, maybe you see some sister for sister, which roll-on do they use? I better try to use this roll-on. You go fire you. Why you go tell me that thing? No, say no be laugh, you dey laugh. Sometimes you need to share your experience so that some people can learn from it. You don't need to stop them and tell them this. Only your friend, really your friend, you can tell that. My friend, this thing you are, do this and do this and do this. Then your friend will understand. Like I share my experience with my friend, and they take it. So I say, okay, let me come and share it out there to some people who need to know. Everybody are still learning. Me, I'm learning. Doing some research. Do research for my kids. I do research for my mom. I do research for myself. Something that will make me fresh, look good. Because I don't want to get old immediately. The moment you are not taking care of yourself, if you are 30s, you look like 50s. Look at 50 years. You look like 50. If you are just 30, you look like 50. People will be asking, how old are you? You say 30. They'll say, your face look like you are like 45. No, you don't want in a situation whereby people will ask you, how old are you? Maybe you said, I'm 36, I'm 40. They will say, no, you look like 25. You don't like it. You don't like better thing. You're not there now, my dear. So not they say, I don't born, I don't born. If you see some fine people for outside, you know they admire them. You know they admire them, you know like better thing, no. Because me, if I see some people when be say, they gouge, they still try pass me. I go answer, sister, I'm fine now. Show me the way now. Very simple, not the shame, but some people like to pretend. No, they pretend. Pretend not good. No, they pretend. What till you not be, you won't be. You're supposed to seek for advice, you don't want seek. You're supposed to ask questions, you don't want ask. Why? Because you dey feel that big. So I come today to share my experience, to share what I've used that is good for me. And I learned too, I'm still learning. Anything I know that is good, I'll come and share it here. So all you just need to do, just subscribe and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you go they notify. You understand? Only that one you just need to do. I'll be sharing some things. I will be sharing some things. So today, if you know you want your husband not to look aside, you stop that order. That order when there your body, you need to stop them. Order when they under, you need to stop them. Some people they will go toilet. They don't use tissue. Why? Whoa. The shit not clean, no. Who they give you that shit not come out. So if your man come now, you open this thing, Jerusalem. Everywhere many people go faint. No, come make I show you how they take the do and my sister. Me, I be mother. Sometimes the morning to evening, I don't get time to take bath. But if I not tell you, you not go know. You not go know. Number one, what you need to do? Come, if you be single, come listen. If you be mothers, come listen. Sometimes we dey laugh Muslim. No, Muslim, they're very neat too. I like Muslim because they're neat. My sister, if you know so you get strong odor for under, go see doctor. Na infection. Who they tell you say that place they was naturally? Now like if they scent, if you sabi maintain, now scent it they scent, not be was. Just they say that place they was well, now lie. Maintain, you see how you go they scent. You know go they was. But I'm not saying, this woman, what is the talk? No, we need to learn. No, I need to still share some things because some people they get this problem. Okay, number one, if you know say that place the was, like I said, go see doctor, an infection, you will feel cleaner. Then fire rubber, put for your put water, put for your bedroom. If you shit, you make poo, wash am, clean, use tissue, wipe am. If you piss once, two times, or wash me like me if I piss anytime I dey wash. I know they wait till I piss 100 times before I wash. No. I dey wash. Then if you know say you never bath in the morning, very important because we kids, we mother, we dey take our children, they go school. You don't need to. If you say me, they wait, me they bath, my dear. You know we sleep for night. Like me, I dey wake up 6:30. This morning I will still wake up midnight. So you know we sleep for night. So I dey wake up 6:30 already. All of them carry them go school. So now, if the morning before you carry them go school, enter bathroom, wash yourself, wash under very well, wash them before you wear your clothes. Put roll on. I will still share some remedy when you go take wash your armpits. If you know say you get that body odor there, you need to they use and they wash them, and they use roll on every time so that odor will go. You know, pass somebody go to do like. You know if you feel them now, people they feel them aside. So you need to maintain yourself. People will feel and they don't want to tell you. So you go wash. Some people now they wear pants. They will come put one small pad for them because they say that something they drop enter. Not be everybody something they drop komoto. Not be everybody their thing they drop. Because if you they wash every minute, nothing will drop. If you they wash anytime you piss, you wash. Or you piss 2 times. If you don't feel they wash every time, piss 2 times, you wash. Nothing they drop for them. Who they tell you that one say things they drop 9. You know nothing they drop. Oh. I go speak Dutch 9. So people will understand. Some people in Germany they will understand. So now so you see you when you get that odor naturally. Naturally, they the laugh person put body odor naturally. Yes, naturally. And if you not just roll on for it gets your own odor there. Everybody know, but people want the worst past people. If you know say your own worst, maybe you know go know. Buy that roll on. Like the time when I get belly, I don't feel use any roll on, any pef. But when I go DM, I search for the one when I feel stand. This roll on, since I start to the burn, even ever since I discovered this roll on, I never use another one. Because if you use them, even till the next day, you will still look fresh for them. But now, if you know say your body odor strong, in the morning you need to apply before you go out. If you know say not strong, if you go out like that, you understand? I go share them later. Just watch this video to the end so that I will share them later. So now, so my people, we need to take care of ourselves. We need to take care of ourselves. Not say I don't born. No. Men like many people they admire their women. If they don't tell you, but they like them. Woman when they don't admire now. Why now? You don't be woman now. Just they go, nobody admire you. No. To maintain yourself. Now make some men see some women finish. You know why? They'll say, who they carry? You know they maintain kukuma. Who won't carry? I beg. Make they there, make I do my things, they go. Yes, so you know maintain who won't carry you. All men need women when they maintain, not be the one when you say, you go say, I got children. Some people, they get newborn baby, they go feed baby. You see, They go rub all the food for all over their body. Why? If your food start on your cloth, change. All their body go full for baby food. Eh? They go they breastfeed. Everywhere go full. Breast milk for body. No. Not be like that. You get one thing that they put for breast when you be say your breast milk. When you go put on there, pad that they sell them for DM. If you ask, you will tell us say for breast milk that they put on pad. If you ask, they will give you put on inside your breast, inside your brazier. Your breast milk could they enter. You don't need to enter your brazier. Now so. Yeah? If you know say you bath in the morning, you don't feel bath in the evening. Go bedroom, wash yourself. Use roll-on. You look fresh. You go bed. Some people go shit like that. They will wipe your ash. They will go like that for bed. Your husband now come now. Everywhere with the woes. If you not will let her talk. If you talk, you say, why you talk? No. You need to talk. Because that place now. Some people say, yeah, they get order. They not get order. Yes, maintain her first. And if you get strong order, go see doctor. Maintain her first. May you know whether you get order or you don't get order. Wash. Every time you piss, wash. Every time you go to toilet, wash. You understand? So now, so it be, my people. So today, this roll-on, I won't just share her. You know, dear, when I want euro something for DM, now they use ever since because the time when I get Belen, if I get Belen, nobody, no, they use perfume, name me. So only this roll-on, now they feel they use. So now it be this one, this very one. See, this roll-on, you go use them. If you check the smell like this, you say, now this one, it's not even 2 cents, my dear. If you try them, it go dead there. You go just in that order, not go dead there again. This roll-on, just try them, see. You see, go just dead there. So if you feel try this roll-on, so my carry me. You see, and so. I want euro something. You know, I don't know why some people would just dead there. They will just carry out on the waka. Roll on here, and I want euro something. €2. Body spray too, now the same €2 something. Now the one when it's there, when now you go they see for €5, €6, they can they go up. But €1 day, they do for poor man all day, rich people all day. So use this one. So my next video I'll come to men side. Because we too, we as a women, men go say they're not the smell, then they smell. So I'll come to men's side on. See, you see, just try them. Try this one. If you know so you get strong order. I come in peace, because I don't want to insult anybody. I just want to share this one so that you go use them, you go do okay. So you will get that fresh, and you will smell good. You know go pass, people will begin to cover nose. Try them. Or you just go DM, check the body spray when you like. You use and join her. Or maybe I will still search for body spray. Body spray. You get body spray one still they use for DM, but that one I don't get them for us now. Because I never go DM this month. So if I still get that one, if you want make I share that one, just comment on my comment section. And if you want to make I share what you will use, if you get that strong odor for your armpit, make I share what you will use when you say you go clear and still comment on my comment section so that I will know what I do. So now so my people, now what I get I will share. See, I will see you again. You know dear, when I want euro something, you just say and buy. You know dear. So we need to smell good. Now beg I tell you, because I know as I tell you, some people you know go know you want something there body, you know go know. Now people go they talk for your back. No, they say person wants something there body, they know. Now people go they gossip you for back. So we don't need to they gossip each other. We just need to learn. Now we need to learn. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Please guys, so before I will end this video, Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that I can share so many things I know also. So just subscribe so that anytime I upload video, you will be notified. Anytime when I upload video, you will receive alert say I upload video, so you go feel watch am. Just press that subscribe button and still support me as I like to dey share things, so when it go good for us, more still support me, more help me share and out, so that people go feel watch am, people go still feel learn, so that we go feel still dey learn for each other. And if you want anything, you want say make I share anything, just comment on my comment section. If I know, I go tell you, I go say I know. If I don't know, I go still comment for them, say I never get this thing when you say make I share. I go search and I go share on my people. I beg, Mona enjoy on a weekend. Mona take this advice for me and it will really help. Just try them as a woman. Wash, not be work again now. Just get that water for your bathroom there. Anytime you piss, you wash. Anytime you go toilet, you wash. Use roll-on every minute if you know say you get that odor. Or in the morning, if you never bath. Use roll-on. Before you carry your children go school, come. Use roll-on. Because we as a mother, it's not easy too. But if you say you leave yourself like that, it's not good too. It's not good too. So, now here I go for stop today, my people. So, Mona, take care. Mona enjoy now weekend, and Mona help me share. Mona support me, Mona support me. Make I dey share. Make I dey share some things when I get. Mona support me, Mona support me. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.